Speaker sir, calling attention जे आमच्या कलिगान श्री पांडुरंग मडकईकर ऑनरेबल MLA Cumbharjua fear and anxiety जी मुटलेली हा residents of Bainguinim and surrounding areas of say Old Goa, village Panchayat Old Goa, that a solid waste management plant is coming up at Bainguinim. Speaker sir, I would only say one thing, that the issue of garbage is all over Goa, and reply म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांकडे पावल्लो हा. The Goa Waste Management Corporation is the nodal agency for executing solid waste management infrastructure projects. हांव एकूच paragraph वाचता, मागीर you can reply. In the state of Goa, Goa Waste Management Corporation has proposed a solid waste management facility at Bainguinim village on the acquired land for the purpose on similar lines as set up in North Goa at Saligaon. The reply is tabled, so the members can go through it and you can ask me, then I will reply. You want me to read the entire reply?
Yeah. Okay. You have to read the reply.
Okay, I'll read the entire
Then
reply.
we can ask clarifications.
Okay.
That is the system.
Speaker sir, on similar lines as set up in North Goa at Saligaon and proposed facility for South Goa at Cacora, the proposed facility at Bainguinim is considered to be a central facility for the state of Goa, as there is a need to enhance the existing solid waste management system for regional area and thus improve the health and having standards of its residents. The main objective of the establishment of centralized solid waste management facility is for the scientific processing and disposal of the solid waste by the local bodies in compliance with the Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. Speaker sir, the land has been acquired by Corporation of City of Panaji for the purpose of setting up a solid waste management facility at Bainguinim, bearing survey number 20/1/1, 20/1A, 20/3-A-1 of Old Goa Village Panchayat on 13/11/2008. Subsequently, CCP issued letter to Town and Country Planning Department dated 22/10/2010 requesting to freeze the land to maintain buffer zone of 500 meters around the land acquired at Bainguinim. Post this letter, permissions have been granted by TCP and Village Panchayat of Old Goa for constructions of various residential and commercial projects which were in violation of the letter from CCP and in direct violation of the notified regional plan, wherein the area has been clearly notified as a garbage management site. Speaker sir, the CCP made application for setting up Bainguinim facility of 100 tons per day per shift to Goa State Expert Appraisal Committee for terms of reference on 24/3/2014. Based on TOR received, Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation issued work order to Messrs. Neri for carrying out EIA study. Speaker sir, High Court at Bombay at Goa in writ petition number 734 of 2013 has disposed the matter between CCP and Village Panchayat of Old Goa for construction of compound wall. Speaker sir, in the meeting held on 22/6/2017 by Department of Municipal Administration, which was chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, it was directed that the proposed solid waste management facility at Bainguinim by the CCP would be constructed and operated through Goa Waste Management Corporation subsequently. CCP-wide letter number CCP WMC/199/2017-18 6099 dated 6/12/2017 handed over the said site to Goa Waste Management Corporation. Speaker sir, the government of Goa is implementing this project to Goa Waste Management Corporation, Saligaon. Accordingly, Goa Waste Management Corporation has undertaken the work for establishment of 250 tons per day capacity centralized municipal solid waste processing facility based on recycle and sorting line, segregation, bio-methanation and in-vessel composting at Bainguinim in North Goa district. Speaker sir, Goa Waste Management Corporation has prepared a detailed project report for the same. The proposed facility will treat the municipal solid waste after recovering all possible recyclables and segregating the same into wet, organic and dry inorganic fractions. Biogas will be generated from the wet organic fraction, which will be converted into electricity, whereas the stabilized organic sludge shall be further processed to generate high quality soil conditioner and compost. The dry inorganic fraction shall be cleaned and used to generate high quality refused derived fuel RDF. Only residual inert fraction shall be landfilled in the sanitary landfill facility. For this purpose, proposed facility GWMC retained CSIR Neri Nagpur to carry out environmental impact assessment studies as per the TOR issued by the State Expert Appraisal Committee, Goa. The EIA clearly concludes that the facility, the entire solid waste generated in the proposed area will be scientifically treated without any environmental damage. The facility creation will not damage or pollute the surrounding environment. The major impacts are positive for the environment as well as the local people. It will improve the aesthetics of the surrounding areas and improve the quality of life. In specific, the improvement of health. Indirectly, this proposed activity will also create some employment to the local people. Speaker sir, specific directions were given to the village panchayats, municipal councils, corporations and the state governments solid waste management facility in the following court orders. In the order of Honorable High Court dated 13/8/2013, writ petition motu writ petition 2 of 2007. In NGT order dated 31/8/2018, number 606 of 2018. In order of the Honorable High Court dated 11/7/2019, Sumoto writ petition of 2/2007. It is pertinent to note that the village panchayat of Old Goa is a major generator and doesn't have any waste management facility. It resorts to unscientific waste disposal methods. Speaker sir, the state of Goa filed status and action of solid waste management facilities in Goa through Chief Secretary to NGT in writ petition of 606 of 2018 and 10 on 10/4/2019. Speaker sir, I would like to bring to the attention of this august house that the proposed facility is on the lines of the facility already set up and operational in Calangute from May 2016. This facility has been appreciated by all qualified and technical people who have visited the site. This facility finds mention by the Honorable NGT as a model which can be replicated by other states. This facility has been performing beyond expectations. Speaker sir, each and every household generates waste and it is trend that people do not want to treat their own waste. There have been calls for decentralized facilities. It may be noted that each and every municipality had their own waste plants. However, they have not been able to run a scientific waste management system, thus leading to generation of dumps, which the present government has taken up for remediation. The economies of scale are not present for a decentralized system. Hence, the government is setting up 4 regional facilities. Speaker sir, the Honorable High Court of Bombay at Goa wide SMWP 2 of 2007 dated 11 July 2019 has directed the following. The other 3 solid waste management facilities proposed at Cacora, Bainguinim and Verna which are at various stages of implementation, including awaiting technical sanction and appointment of management consultant, etc., shall be completed by the state government within a period of 28 months from today, that is 11/7/2019. Speaker sir, आम्ही म्हाका दिसता सगळी माहिती हेचेर दिल्ली आहा and apprehensions जे लोकांच्या मोतीन आहा आणि स्पेशली आमचो पांडुरंग मडकईकर ऑनरेबल MLA ऑफ कंभारजुआ तेणे वाचचे आणि म्हाका दिसता कोणाक आनी कितें डाउट्स आहा ते आमी क्लियर करतले.